In 2024, coding was the safest job on earth. Then everything changed. GitHub Copilot started writing 46% of all code, automatically, without a salary, without breaks, without complaints. 300,000 junior developer jobs disappeared in 18 months, not outsourced, not automated in the traditional sense, just replaced. And the coders who survived? They didn't write better code. They stopped writing code altogether. They became directors. They told the AI what to build. They reviewed what it produced. They made the decisions the AI couldn't. The skill isn't coding anymore. It's knowing what to build and why. So here's the question nobody in tech wants to answer. Are you learning to direct, or are you still waiting to be replaced? Signal horizon. Wait for the next signal.